Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Romsey and today I'll be showing you a basic, simple, easy to make blog generator that posts directly to your website. This is designed to generate niche specific blog content and publish it directly to WordPress. Okay, this is simple, but it is a very powerful automation that I believe a lot of people need. Okay, this is perfect for solo creators, marketers, agencies looking to scale with minimal effort. Okay, this delivers consistent SEO ready posts while saving hours of repetitive work. Okay, so I am just a quick little background of me. I am a certified Make.com specialist at the advanced level. Okay. This is a very basic automation and you can get the blueprint for free in the description below. Just click on the link below and you can download it to your Make.com account and you can just use it, okay, completely and entirely for free. This is, as I said, this is very basic. This is a basic automation, but if you want to see something more advanced and more complicated in Make.com, something like this is an AI engine. All of this is an AI engine that you see. If you want to see a full 30-minute video of me demonstrating and talking about this AI engine that I created in Make.com, which I have created for a company, please also click the link to my portfolio in the description below. There is a second link, and inside my portfolio you can see the video of this engine that I've created. So let's now go into the video. Okay, so here is the actual scenario. As you can see, we have two webhooks here. If you don't know how to use webhooks, please watch my other video about the basics of webhooks. Okay, I have another video about that. So what this does is it connects to a dashboard. Okay, we are going to generate high quality niche targeted blog content using AI. This is all SEO friendly and this will publish directly to your website without any manual intervention at all. Okay, so apart from the button, I've created a button here, but this is just to show you, so I can just do it manually. So I have a dashboard here. All I have to do is I have to click this button and then it will generate the post and it will post it automatically. It will come up with the image here of the blog and it will come up with the blog content, the status, and the link to the blog itself. Okay, so this is the dashboard here. Actually, before I go into this system, I would like to demonstrate it working for you. Okay, so all I have to do is click this. I'm just going to click it once now. Here we go. So as you can see, it has started and it has begun. This is an entry point for triggering the automation, is these webhooks. Let's go over here, and these are the ChatGPT modules. These generate the actual blog, okay, and these have certain type of prompt engineering, and it's designed for niche relevance and SEO alignment. Okay, so let's just have a look. So it's going down here. This creates the keyword or the category for the blog. We can go into that in a second. This creates the outline. This converts it to JSON. This maps it out here. And I'll go into this in a second really quickly. Here, this creates the main body. This is the prompt for the image. This creates the image. Here, it extracts the URL in terms it gets the data from the image. This is the markdown. This just brings it all together. And as you can see, it has finished. So if we go back here, it hasn't loaded. Let me just refresh this real quick. As you can see here, our blog has posted. It is in green. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the image. We can click on the image and have a little look. Wonderful. And here we have a little snippet of the blog itself with a conclusion, with some titles, and a link. Okay. So this is the blog. Just for a bit of context, Rakito AI is my test website that I've created just so I can run my tests on there. You guys can visit it if you like, but it's just purely for my own testing purposes. So this is the website. As you can see, the blog has posted to the website directly. Okay, that's the conclusion, everything. Now, let me just go through this step by step. So this is a sleep module. I've delayed it for 5 seconds because sometimes it takes a little bit of time for things to come through the webhook, information to come through and to process. So we just give it a little sleep module here, so it just goes to sleep for 5 seconds and then it carries on, just to be extra sure. Yep. So here I have the model 4.0 mini. So here we have a keyword generator, or a category generator, should I say. So this generates a category. You can change this to real estate, you can change this to technology, sports, or whatever you want to change it to, you can change it to. But right now, I've just told it to create a categories for AI. Okay, so this creates blogs for AI. That's the theme here. Okay, this will be in the blueprint, this prompt. If you don't want to use the blueprint, you can just take a little snapshot like this, paste it into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will provide a text format so that you can copy it. Just ask it to do that. Okay, this is the max tokens here. I've put it to 2048. If you don't want a limit on how many tokens you want this completion to spend, you can just have nothing in there. Okay, so this creates the outline, as you can see. The result, this is what it's come up with, AI supply chain optimization. Okay, so now this takes the input, okay, your task is to create this AI supply chain optimization. Okay, it takes it and it then creates an outline for the blog. Very simple. Okay, I'm not going to go into too much detail, but you just copy and paste this prompt design here. This converts the outline into JSON. So this converts it into JSON. We do this so that, and then this turns it from JSON into text. We do this so that it can translate API responses into usable data structures. This ensures reliable, structured data flow between modules, and it ensures dynamic content assembly. Let me just explain to you, okay, why I've done this. So as you can see here, everything, when I talk about it enables dynamic content assembly. As you can see, it's taken the outline and it's split it into different sections here so that I can assemble it in a way that I'm comfortable with and that I want to present it. Okay, so it's got the title there, meta description, introduction here, and I have assembled it in the Markdown module. Okay, so that's why I have created this system here. Here we have the main body. This generates the main body from the outline that it has previously generated. The main body here, as you can see. Okay, so you can copy this, and there we go. Let's carry on. This generates the prompt. Okay, this generates the image. This is a DALL-E image here. This is what I've set it to. Okay, and then, so as you can see here, it has given me a URL. So we don't want the URL because WordPress does not accept URLs for uploading images. So we have to convert that into a data structure. So we extract the data from the URL basically, and that's where this comes in handy. And then we upload the data to here of the image, and then we give it a little title. Okay, I like to give it this title because that way it's always different every time, so you can't have the same image with the same title, otherwise it'll just create a duplicate. Okay, and then we upload it to WordPress. Okay, this publishes the content automatically to the chosen sites, and it handles authentication, post categories, tags, scheduling. It enables really good automation workflow with this native WordPress module. I can just post it straight to the website that I have chosen, which is Rakito. Okay, there you go. You can choose the category here, uncategorized. You have the media item, which we extract from here, the ID, and then it posts it. Okay, it posts it to the dashboard. Okay, and there we are. This dashboard, all you have to do to create a button is you have to paste this in here with your record with your webhook. and I have another video explaining how to do this. Just view my other video. And when it goes to the table, you just have to click the base in the Airtable. What table? Just refresh that because I changed the name of it. As you can see, the table name is BlogGen over here. BlogGen. Okay. And then post it. I can put the link in here to the site. I can extract that from this module over here. The status posted, text. I basically passed the test because the text is in HTML for the blog content, so I have to transfer it using a text parser from HTML to text. Pretty simple. You just bang it in there. Very easy. Image, the URL. This accepts URL, so we don't need to extract the data as we did with the WordPress module. And simple. There we go. Now you have automated blog posts. It was as easy as that. This is a simple, robust scenario that anyone can build in Make.com. This is a modular design. It allows easy customization. Okay, for any niche, as I said, you can just change the category in here or the topic. And so this supports dynamic prompt inputs for varied topic generation. Okay, this has clean HTML output designed for WordPress and also for SEO performance. This is a fully automated publication that reduces human error and manual workload. Okay, so this is ideal, as I said, for creators and marketers who are aiming to scale their content and output. This eliminates repetitive copy and paste work that people normally do with their WordPress sites. Okay, this saves a lot of time. Okay, this enables effortless content marketing, even for even for the long term. Companies can use this. This can even be sold, but I'm giving this away to you for free. Okay, so thank you, and download the blueprint and use this automation that I have created and let me know how it goes. Also, view my portfolio. The link is also in the description. Subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.